Codeforces, which is Domino piling. So let's go. So just telling that it's 2 cross 1 squares. So it is telling that we have a given rectangular board which is of m cross n, and we have unlimited number of dominoes of size 2 cross 1. Let me just tell that how many dominoes we can place. So it's a basic math concept. Like we have the area which is 4 cross 2, which is 8, and we have a domino with area 2, so we'll tell just how many pieces. So just divide. So 8 divided by 2, which is 4. It's 3 cross 3, 9 divided by 2, it's 4. We just need to take integer parts, so it's easy. Let's do it. Yeah, it's done. Let's check. 2 cross 4. It's 4. Perfect. Say I'm doing standard, very easy problems. That's why the video is very short. It not go long. Yep, I did it. Got submitted. So thank you. Like, share, subscribe. That's it.